What's going on, y'all? Caden Finch with CF Cigar Box Guitars coming at y'all with another video. And in today's video, I have another brand new 3-string cigar box guitar right out of the woodshed and ready to show off for you guys. So this is going to be build number 16, and yeah, man, this guitar is wow, probably some of my best work yet. So stick around. We're gonna go in depth, take a look at it, and do some sound samples. And yeah, we're gonna check it out. So stay tuned. Here we go. Check it out, y'all. This is the brand new 3-string CF cigar box guitar, and oh my gosh, man, this thing is sweet. So if you've been watching my videos, and hopefully you have been, in my latest vlog video, I built a fret saw jig, and sadly my phone died and I lost the video for the last little bit of that, but this is the finished product, and oh my gosh, y'all. So if you've been cutting fret slots by hand, let me tell you, go ahead and just buy you a little mini table saw. You can get one on Amazon for like $50, and get you that saw blade. Man, you will see a world of difference in your fret work, and just make you a simple little jig like I did. If you haven't seen that video, go check out that video. And man, it just makes fret work so much easier. And yeah, so I got the frets put in, and of course I went ahead, cleaned up the edges and dressed them and all that good stuff, and polished them up. And yeah, let's just go ahead and take a deeper look into this cigar box guitar here. So we went and used this punch box, really great cigar box. It's very sturdy, sounds really good, also looks really cool. And instead of a piezo pickup like we normally do, we actually went for a single coil. This is a pre-wired kit that you can get on CB Gitty, and just, man, this single coil just sounds so good on this guitar, and y'all hear that here in a minute in the sound samples. But yes, just a single coil with a volume and tone control. We went for our cabinet hinge tailpiece, and 2 strap buttons, and then of course our neck and fretboard are made of red oak, and I did a dark it was a walnut stain on this one, but yeah, I did some kind of dark stain on it. And then I got the upgraded tuners, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Real simple, easy build. So I know y'all are dying to see what this baby sounds like, so I'm gonna go ahead and get plugged in. As always, I'll be using the Fishman Loudbox Mini, and have my Joyos plugged in. And yeah, let's go ahead and get to some sound samples. Here we go, y'all. hands down. Gonna sing it, hallelujah. God is able, hallelujah. God is faithful, hallelujah. Lord, I'm gonna sing. Alright guys, well that does it for another video. Thank you guys so much for watching if you made it this far. And yeah, if you like this video, check out some of my other videos. This is build number 16, so I have tons of 3-string cigar box guitars and other crazy videos. So yeah, go check some of those out. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you know, all that good stuff. And you guys are in luck because this guitar is actually for sale. Along with my other 3 recent cigar box guitars up on my eBay page. So if you want to get your hand on one of these amazing handmade instruments made by myself, yeah, you can go over to my eBay page and get your hands on one. So yeah, again, thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye now.